Brushes works very well for this. You can download any of the brush from this website very easily. If you click here and you type any of the nature pattern, you can also get that. You can also get the flowers patterns, weddings, and many others. From here, I'm going to download this splatter brushes with etc. If I click here, I want to show you how you can download this. This is very easy. You can see here. If I click here on the free download, guys, you can see it will take 5 seconds and it will download into your PC. Guys, you can see this is downloaded. Guys, you can see in the download option I have this my file. I left click and I want to extract my file. I click here on extract files. See, I have this ABR file right here. Now I go into the Photoshop. I'm selecting this brush option and you can see here. If I click here on this option, I can see here option for loading brushes. You can also have the import brush option in the latest versions of the Photoshop. So I'm going to load my brush which I have downloaded.
Yeah, of course.
You can see I have this my brush right here. I'm clicking on load. Guys, you can also copy and paste your brush very easily. You can see I have these brushes right here. If I click on any of the brush, you can adjust your size from here. I'm taking red color. Hit OK. You can see. You can make super cool designs with the help of this. This is all for today. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is artist Rabia signing off. Okay, Allah Hafiz.